with another nail art tutorial. Today we're going to do some nail art on my client's nails. This is a short set of nails, but you still can do something really cute and classic on a short set. First, I'm applying a base coat of gel to the client's nails, making sure I seal in the ends and the edges of the nail. We have already done a backfill on her. She came in with a dip. I filed off most of the dip product and added acrylic overlay on top. And here I am getting ready to do some nail art on her nails. She showed me a picture, but of course I'm going to add my own little flair to it, but try to stick as close as possible to the design that the client desires. Cure that hand, and then we're going to start working on the other hand. I'm going to apply the gel base coat on this hand, getting it ready to design her nails. I love the shape and the size of her nails. These are going to be super cute. If you haven't done so, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload new content. It takes nothing but a click, so go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I am only a little under 3,000 subscribers to meet my 10,000 subscriber mark. So please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share the channel so we can hit our 10,000 subscribers. Thank you already in advance. I promise you won't be disappointed. So this client wanted some brown tips, so we had to do a custom color for her because unfortunately I did not have a brown gel. So I custom colored this brown for her, and we're gonna do some brown tips and then a little bit of nail art on her nails. This came out super cute and so adorable. So here I am using my medium striping brush to get those lines crisp and sharp and as neat as possible. I find it so much easier to do a French tip with a medium liner brush versus a polished brush.